Today we're going to talk about automotive stuff, specifically to the Polaris RZR XP 1000 from years 2014 through 2019. And specifically, even more, we're going to talk about a safety net which is not available with a small budget. Very recently, a good friend of ours had a rollover accident and he almost lost his arm. So it is very, very important for you to put a safety net on, and it's very, very inexpensive. So let me show you how that's done. We couldn't find anything that is inexpensive and quick to do. It takes about 5 minutes to do. So we came up with this solution right here. This is a safety net. It's a ribbon net by RZR right here. And this is a 24-inch by 24-inch safety net. And that's the one that you're gonna need for your RZR XP 1000 or the RZR XP Turbo from years 2014 through 2019. And here it is. This is how much we paid for it. We've got this on eBay and we paid $21.16 for the net. Again, this is a 24 by 24, part number 726009, RZR part number 726009, and it cost us less than $22 each. And for each net, you're gonna need these rubber straps. These are from Home Depot, and currently they are 98 cents each. So under $25 per side, you can put a safety net on your RZR XP vehicle. This part number right here is going to be, let's see, this is a Husky brand. It's a 24-inch rubber tie down, 3/4 of an inch thick. The model number is F as in Frank, H as in Henry, 47228. Right here, 98 cents. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Once you get your net in, you are going to remove the metal hooks at the end of the rubber tie down, and then you're going to fish that rubber tie down through the hoops at the top and the bottom. Make sure you have this the right way up. So this is the top right here, and you fish it through all the way there. And then once that's done, you're going to put the metal hook back on, and then you're going to crimp the end of it so this part is not sticking out too far. So crimp this down, and also it prevents it from coming out just in case. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come back to your RZR, and one thing that you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have some racing seat belts on, because you're gonna need this hole right here. That used to be the 3-point seat belt, so we removed the 3-point seat belts and we put 5-point harnesses on, and so we have this hole here available to us. So the bottom part of this safety net hook is going to go there. The other end of it, let me show you right here, it's going to go into the door. You will need to remove this hook right here to be able to open the door. The top is going to go right here where the welds are. There's some space right here. That's the top. And on this side, it's going to go into this hole right here. So you have yourself a nice net. Now, this is not race certified, although the net is race certified, but the way that it's mounted, it is not race certified, because these are flexible, and it's very, very easy to undo and redo. So you just pull this out of there and basically it just comes up. One other thing that we realized after we put this on is that when you are transporting the vehicle on an open trailer, you want to be sure to remove these nets, because they will start flying like a flag, flopping around in the wind at high speed. So you want to remove these nets before you transport the vehicle in an open trailer. And that concludes our video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.